Hello everyone. This time I would like to tell you or to share you the project which I have been doing for the last couple of months, which is tissue culture of apple Pyrus malus using seed as explant source. Uh, I try to propagate apples using seed which I take from the fruit which I have eaten. So when I pull out the seed, I take six of them and give them a surface sterilization and then grow them in our medium, agar medium, which one of them from the 4 seed I put into this medium. On this medium only one survived, which is this one. So we started to sow the seed on November 2020 and start to grow like this, and then we keep subculture until it grow bigger and bigger using the same medium, and later on after 4 months it becomes like this. Actually this picture is too big, I think, because we use the too close take the picture. So the result is this is the apple culture after around 4 months. And then I try to take 2 long shoot from this stalks and try to root them in the rooting medium, but it seems no result, which is there is no root coming out from the shoot even though we use the rooting medium. And then after around 8 months keep subculturing, the stalk become bigger and bigger and multiply, and more available shoot for rooting. So in this medium we use the medium of MS salt with the hormone BAP 0.5 ppm, which using the Pitagel agar to solidify the medium. So using Pitagel agar, so a very transparent medium, so you can easily detect if there is any contamination. Later on, after we take the shoot from the culture, we try to root them, transplant them in the nursery. We approximately have around 60 elongated shoot planted here, which we do not root in vitro, but we root them ex vitro using a liquid hormone which is 500 ppm. And later on, after 20 days, shown here on the right side, they grow, and so a new shoot emerge from the shoot, and we keep waiting until it's grow bigger. We have to watch if there is too much water. If we put them into too much water, they will not produce root. And this is the picture after several times in April 2021. It shows more growth after we put them in a warmer place, not too much water. And later on we transfer it into the plastic bag in April 21st, and so on. The conclusion until this step is rooting the ABA in liquid 2 weeks after misting house. First attack of insect is the green aphids on young newly emerged leaves. Pull out with grass stick. The root during planting is not too compact. We plant it on a composite soil and water. Put under shade for a week maybe. So this is the result. And after that we wait until become like here in May, and after that we keep waiting and maintain. After that become bigger. One of our seedling attacked by an insect. This is larva that eat all the leaves and cut off the meristematic point, and so they grow the what is this called, axial branches rapidly. If you cut off the apical meristem, so this one, the axillary growth grow faster compared to the apical meristematic system still active. Okay, and then if we check the root system, this polybag we pull out and let them dry. So good root performance, root development. It means that this apple in a temperate plant can grow suitably in our tropical area. And later on we planted them on our soil in July 2021, and so a fast growth. And if we look at the two branches here, those two should be pruned to ensure a 60 cm branch free of stem. We will be wait until 150 cm, so we pinch the top as to promote new growth branches. So we have 4 of them planted like this in the soil. So this is the picture after 1 month in our soil. So we have cleared up the branches until 60 cm, and we will keep the height at 1.5 meters before we do topping. The fertilizer effect we put so good effect in the result of increasing height and number of leaves. No pest and disease seems too far, but persistent aphids have been countered by its predators such as ladybug, spider, and another monster I don't know which name is. Topping on 20 August in 2021. Okay, this one is the natural predator for the insect, ladybugs, which is become ally of the apple trees. This one is, I don't know what's his name, we need ID to identify. This one also spider, we don't know what is the ID. And this is we do also the cutting using the branches that we cut off from the main stem. Information here is that the cutting as well can do better result. Around 50% from all the cutting can produce root and can be planted as well. So the technique we use to propagate this tree can be using the tissue culture technique or cutting as well. And it seems like that the cutting method is quite easy. This is for our new batch in July, from the second batch of our production. And then thank you, that's all we can share for the apple micro propagation, and we will be expecting another macro propagation from teak in the next week. Thank you very much and see you next week. Adios.